We all know the struggle is real when it comes to creating sleek yet informative presentations that wow audiences without emptying our wallets. PowerPoint prevails as the standard, but real innovation lies outside that box. What if you could design from any device or effortlessly work without breaking the bank? Well, in this video, we're going to help you find such 5 free PowerPoint alternatives. Let's get started. Mentimeter. Mentimeter goes beyond the conventional role of a presentation tool, doubling as a survey application and an audience engagement platform, making the creation of stunning slides swift and straightforward. Its standout feature lies in fostering immediate interaction with any audience, eliminating the need for hand-raising or volunteered opinions. By championing Web 2.0 principles, Mentimeter shifts the focus from the speaker to audience participation, offering a new frontier in presentation tools. Boasting a user-friendly design, a familiar interface, and the added allure of audience engagement, Mentimeter is the preferred choice for presenters aiming to pioneer the presentations of the future today. Its entirely cloud-based system ensures hassle-free accessibility without the need for downloads. With various plans, including a free tier for quick initiation, Mentimeter caters to users seeking seamless integration. Google Slides. Google Slides serves as the universal successor to PowerPoint, adopting a one-size-fits-all approach. If you're accustomed to PowerPoint, Google Slides offers a familiar, no-frills experience, a dependable web-based presentation platform renowned for its accessible nature and collaboration features. While its strength lies in familiarity and interface layout, it tends to follow the traditional slide deck model, emphasizing speaker support but providing limited consideration for audience engagement. Being a free, web-based tool, Google Slides enjoys popularity among diverse user groups. However, it shares the classic PowerPoint drawback of presenting users with a vast array of design options on a potentially overwhelming blank canvas, especially for those lacking graphic design expertise. Just like other Google tools, such as Docs and Sheets, Google Slides is available for free to anyone with a Google account. Keynote. Up next, Keynote, the default presentation tool on Apple devices like iMacs and MacBooks, mirrors the familiarity of Google Slides and PowerPoint for users. Despite its aesthetically pleasing and minimalist interface, Keynote's stripped-back design may lead to a less intuitive experience, with functions not as clearly labeled as its counterparts. However, the notable limitation is its exclusivity to Apple users, and the absence of web-based functionality makes cross-device usage and collaboration challenging. While Keynote boasts a sleek design, it leans toward one-directional communication, providing limited scope for structured audience interaction. Notably, Apple offers this presentation builder for free to its users, acknowledging their investment in Apple technology. Prezi. Much like Google Slides, Prezi stands out as a web-based presentation tool, ensuring a level of accessibility absent in Keynote. Its standout feature is animation, making it a playground for the creatively adventurous. With the right vision and skills, Prezi enables the creation of visually stunning presentations that surpass the impact of standard PowerPoint slides. In the realm of virtual presentations through video conferencing, Prezi presents an intriguing choice for crafting visually engaging content. It even includes a function for overlaying content on the presenter's video feed, showcasing innovation in presentation delivery. However, navigating Prezi's intricacies demands a high level of technical proficiency, potentially posing challenges for collaboration with less technically inclined colleagues. Prezi offers 3 payment tiers, with a free version providing access to a subset of its comprehensive feature set. Canva. For those in search of pre-designed templates, Canva emerges as the ideal presentation tool. While many platforms, including PowerPoint, now incorporate templates for streamlined slide creation, Canva takes this feature to new heights with an extensive array of templates covering virtually every purpose and theme. It's a top choice for presenters with the expertise or time to craft their ideal slide deck. However, the abundance of options on Canva may lead to endless scrolling in pursuit of the perfect template, potentially diluting the time-saving convenience. Notably, some templates come at a cost, limiting accessibility for free users. Like several other tools in this lineup, Canva provides a free tier, offering users a glimpse of its capabilities without the full suite of features. That concludes our list of 5 free PowerPoint alternatives that are actually good. We hope you've discovered tools that resonate with your presentation style and elevate your content creation. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and productivity tips from Hustle Syndicate. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep hustling.